Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Webex meeting how to add co-host. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add a co-host in Webex meeting, what you need to do is first simply head over and open up your Webex application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the meetings or tap on the plus icon on the top left corner, right corner of the screen, and there select schedule a meeting. Now once you're inside the schedule, what you need to do is under attendees simply tap on it and then type in the name or email of the attendees, and then once done simply check the box next to make co-host beside their name obvious after adding, and finish setting up the meeting and simply click on schedule on the top left corner of your screen. And once done, the person must have a Webex account on the same organization or be allowed by your Webex admin to be a co-host. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.